here's the problem that I'm going to work out. So the antiderivative of 20x times the quantity x squared minus 4 raised to the ninth power dx. And the way you start this is we're going to go ahead and break apart this integrand here and write it as 10 times the quantity x squared minus 4 to the ninth times 2x dx. By writing it this way, you're going to kind of see the reverse of our chain rule show up. So we'll start by letting u equals x squared minus 4. So the u is going to be this piece inside here. Or just as easily we could say this piece. This is essentially the g of x that we talked about before. If I go ahead and take the derivative of u with respect to x, I get 2x. And if I multiply both sides of this by dx, I get that du is equal to 2x dx. So remember, the u was this piece here, and now the du is this piece. Before, we would have called this the g of x and this the g prime of x. So essentially, we're kind of working backwards in the process. So what I'm going to do now, and the reason why this is called substitution, is I'm going to change x squared minus 4 to u and 2x dx to du and get a new problem. So now what we need to do is to take the antiderivative of 10u to the ninth du. And that's something we can just do with the power rule. So the 10 can come out in front. When I take the antiderivative of u to the ninth, I get u to the 10th over 10 times the 10 gives us just u to the 10th plus the constant. Since this problem originally started out with x's, we'll go ahead and substitute u equal to x squared minus 4 back into the problem, and that gives us the quantity x squared minus 4 all raised to 10 plus c. So by letting u be this inside piece, we see that du is this other piece, and I can rewrite this now in a simpler problem, which is just a simple power rule problem. Every time we do this, it's going to work the same way. I need to pick u to be the inside part here of a composition.